Hello, my name is Christopher, and today I'm going to show you how to install Cloudflare Tunnels on Casa OS and then make it to where you create an application in Cloudflare Tunnels and direct it to your Casa OS application like an AdGuard Home or something, and you can expose it to the internet that way and access it anytime you want. So, a little bit about this series, I'm going over home labs, I'm going to install things, getting things set up, everything like that. So if you like that, subscribe, comment, like, and support the channel, and let's get started. So I'm going to start with a Cloudflare testing account. I have a domain here. You will have to set up that and add a domain to your Cloudflare account. I'm going to go over here to Zero Trust, and you will have to put in your credit card, and you'll have to accept the terms of use, of course, and create your Zero Trust account. And once you do that, it will be free. So you're free up to 50 available users. So we can go into access right here. Then we can go to tunnels. And then I'm going to add a tunnel. I'm going to name it Big Bear Casa OS. And then now I'm going to save. And the tunnel is created now. So now we can copy this right here. We can copy the key right here. And we can go over to the Casa OS and get the connector installed. So I'm going to go over to my Casa OS, and I did install AdGuard Home, and that's going to be our testing application. I'm going to go into App Store right here, and I'm going to scroll down to Cloudflared. And this makes it where you get a UI to where you put in the Cloudflare token, and then it starts up the Cloudflared connector. You can have multiple connectors on different servers, and that increases your availability on your side. So I'm going to go up to install. And this is just pulling it down from the Docker Hub or wherever this image is located. So it's starting up a Docker Compose in the background with the container. So it's getting it from Wisdom Sky Cloudflared Web. So now I'm going to open it. And then I'm going to put in my Cloudflare Tunnel token, the one that I copied over there. And I'm going to get it started. So before I start the Cloudflared Tunnel up and put my token in, I want to go to GitHub and look at the Cloudflared Web, the repo. And it looks like it's made of a Wisdom Sky. So you can see he just made it to where there's a UI to where you can put in your token, and then it starts up the Cloudflared connector. And you can see that it just uses Docker Compose. And you can go in app right here. You can go to back end, and you can see his Express application. He's using Node Cloudflare Tunnel right here. So he's starting it up. Token. Then listening for web UI. And then he's just using the Cloudflare Tunnel token to start the Cloudflare CLI application. And then I don't see anything wrong with that at all. You can see that there's package.json for the npm. You can go on the front end and you can see what front end I made. I made it with Vue 3 and TypeScript and Vite. Vue 3 is like React, and then TypeScript is like JavaScript, but with types in it. And then Vite is the builder like a Webpack, but faster. And uses a UI server to build. So we're going to go into source. You can see app.view here. You can see the UI that he created for it. And he's just getting the token and saving it. And then initializing it. So you can look at this code and see what you think about it before you put anything in there or install on your Casa OS. It will be down in the link description so you can get to it. So let's get to putting the token in and getting started up. Okay, so I went over synopsis of how it works. I just glanced over it myself. So if you need something explained more in detail, let me know in the Big Bear community and our Discord, and I'll be glad to explain it and show you how it pertains to the whole system and working. So now I'm going to paste it in. I'm going to paste my token in. I'm going to press save, and then I'm going to say start, and you can see it started up. So I'm going to go over to Cloudflare Tunnels again and see if we can see the connector. So I'm back to Cloudflare Tunnels right here, and I'm going to scroll down to connectors. And if you stayed on the same page as the token, you'll see a connectors load down here, and you'll see that it's working. So once you see connected, it's all up and running and working. So now we can start adding applications. So I'm going to go to Tunnels right here, and I'm going to go over here to configure. I'm going to go up to Public Hostname. This is where you add an app to your tunnel. There's just the technical name's Public Hostname because they're already using applications for the access. But you can look at them as apps really too. So I'm going to go and add a public hostname, and I'm going to type in AdGuard, if I can spell, AdGuard home. And then I'm going to go down here and click my domain that I want to happen. What this is going to do is it's going to create a CName inside of your DNS records for AdGuard home, bbtw.xyz, or whatever your domain is. And that will direct it to the Cloudflare Tunnel domain that will be hosting your Cloudflare Tunnel and making it to where it goes to your connector in your home. So I'm going to go down here and add a service. And I'm going to do HTTP since that's what my Casa is using. I'm going to do it, my IP address to my Casa. And then to get to the app inside of the Casa, you're going to do your port, which is 7200. On mine, at least. You will have a different port if you installed it and you didn't follow some of my tutorials. But you can have a different port on different apps. Like, you can use this for any app you want. It doesn't have to be for AdGuard home specifically or anything. You can also, if it's on your local network and this Casa can access your other servers, this can actually direct to the other servers as well. So I'm going to go down here to save the host name right here. And then now it's up. So we can go to this URL and get to our AdGuard home now. So I'm going to show you where you see your CName that's going to Cloudflare Tunnels at. You're going to go back to the dashboard. Then you're going to go to your domain that you're using for Cloudflare Tunnels. I'm going to go into mine. Then I'm going to go over to DNS right here. And you're going to see a CName record that has been created automatically when you created the public host name. It is being proxied through their system, and it's going to the cfargotunnel.com right here. And then that's getting IP from this domain for the AdGuard home, a DNS record. So that's what hooks it up and makes it to where that AdGuard home is going through the Cloudflare system and going to your connector. So now I'm going to go to adguardhome.bbtw.xyz, the tunnel that you created. So this makes it to where you can access this tunnel anywhere you want. So all the way around the world. So I'm going to go into it, and you will see that it's up and running, and it's running through the Cloudflare network to your connector. So I'm going to go ahead and type in my password just to show you that it is working and I can log in. So it's working, it's up. I can access this anywhere in the world. And I did do a video on using Cloudflare Access to secure this with zero trust. So you can see that down the YouTube description and get working on that as well to secure it even more. So if you noticed when I went to the Cloudflare tunnel and I went to AdGuard home.bbtw.xyz, it used HTTP instead of redirecting to HTTPS. So I'm going to show you how to get it to where it redirects HTTP to HTTPS and get it working. So I'm going to start on the dashboard for Cloudflare. I'm going to go to my domain right here. I'm going to go over to SSL and TLS right here. I'm going to go to Edge Certificates. I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to see always use HTTPS. So it redirects all requests with scheme HTTP to HTTPS. This applies to all HTTP requests to zone. So I'm going to turn this on. And then I'm going to go back over to my Cloudflare tunnel and test it out. So now I'm going to test it again and see if always on HTTPS is working. So I'm going to put it in my browser. I'm going to do HTTP right here. And then I'm going to do my domain that I set up. And now I'm going to return or enter. And I'm going to look over in the bar. I'm going to go up to HTTPS right here. And you can see it is working. So that's how to get HTTP to redirect to HTTPS. So there you have it. I did a comprehensive tutorial on Cloudflare Tunnels. This makes it to where you can access your Casa OS apps anywhere in the world. And you can also add more public host names for more apps in your network that your Casa OS can connect to and in your Casa OS itself. So if you like this tutorial, subscribe, comment, like, and support the channel. And if you have any video suggestions or you need support, you can go down the Big Bear community and join our Discord. There's a link down in the YouTube description. And stay tuned for more.